Going on. In this episode, we are taking care of front brakes on this Challenger and doing a multi-point inspection. Alright, the tools you'll need to get this caliper off is a 14 millimeter. I'm gonna take this bracket off and clean it too. It is a 21 millimeter on the back side. Right, replace some brackets, re-grease the pins. Alright, now we're going to pump them brakes and check them fluids. Alright, oil's good, it's got windshield sauce, coolant is good. Any kind of corrosion, belt looks nice. Hose looks fine, thermostat isn't leaking, water pump isn't leaking. Little valve cover leaking on the back end, not too bad though. And that is it, on to the next one.